Recently blew my speaker in my Porsche Macan, so I wanted to actually go through and replace the actual woofer in this door here. I was unable to find any videos that kind of had a tutorial of, how to go about taking it off, because there are, plenty of little plastic clips and stuff that are behind here that you don't want to break. So I was unable to find that, but through trial and tribulation, I was able to figure it all out. So I kind of wanted to do a quick tutorial to help other people. So starting off, what I'm going to do is actually pull off this trim piece here, and there's going to be actually a screw behind here. Also this plastic plate here, there's another screw behind there, and then down below here, this reflector here comes off, and there's another screw underneath there. After that, I'll be able to nudge this up and the whole thing will come off as one piece. So to get this trim piece off here, I just have the old spackling tool, and you're going to just slide it up underneath here and just kind of loosen the clips while making your way down. A lot of semi-fragile stuff in here, so you kind of want to be careful. Plus, Porsche, it's probably a very expensive piece. I haven't looked at it, but so after you've done that, especially depending on the age of your car, if this has never been taken off, you could be working at it for quite some time. I actually have taken this one off before, so it's a bit easier for me. And then I have this is just a cheap trim piece thing I got off Amazon, and they work pretty well, and they're plastic, so they tend not to scratch or cut anything. Does not want to go. Just take your time, it will eventually come off. There we go. And then also, after you get all those clips out, you actually slide it back this way, because there's actually some little hooks on it. So that's that there. And then I want to take off this bottom reflector one as well. Okay, to recap here, we took out a screw here, a screw here, and a screw right here, and that is it. Now this thing can actually be taken off. Okay, so I've taken it off. Basically lift up, it'll come out. Now usually I'll put a stool underneath, just kind of hold it here, because directly underneath here, that's the speaker housing. So of course I've already taken this one out just so I can match up the part numbers, but it's simple plug and play. So once I put in the screws around here, clip it in, and that's it. Okay, so I have the speaker back in, started all the screws, and I'm just going to bolt them in. Kind of do a star pattern here. It's actually really nice too, because these speakers on the back of them, they actually have like a, I don't want to say a caulk, but like a rubber seal that really gives them a good seal. So that's it. Plug it in, we're all finished. So it is now complete. It's easy as that. So really, this is helpful too whenever this goes out. It's a window regulator. They tend to go out. Well, this is actually the motor for it. The regulator's on the other side, but they tend to go out in cars quite often. So that's about it. Thanks.